Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and if you remember from the previous video, I used my object origin to make this block shorter. But it makes the thickness of the line wrong. And I don't know of any other way around it except to go to object, break the curve apart, and get rid of that inside block. Take that outer block, which is now our right dimension, go to Effects and Contour. I've already measured it's 0.17 wide. Contour to the inside. Now, Control D and make a duplicate of that guy and move the center rotation to the center of the page. I might have to, no, it's working. Okay, see, it's a contour, so there's no degrees. So I have to go to Object and break the contour apart. Now we get our degrees back. I'm just making sure there wasn't another box there. Tell you what, I probably have to go to Group and group them together. Control, well, I'm going to move the rotation in the center first. And then Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it 90 degrees. And what has happened, now our boxes are the same dimension, they're just shorter. I hope that made sense. Because in the previous video, when I squished it, it made this line shorter. So now all your boxes are the same dimension, even the inside joint is still where it needs to be. I hope that made sense, and thank you for watching.